Okay, everybody. Everybody keeps on asking how to make Keto Chow into ice cream. And I think it's really not that involved, so I haven't made a video up until now, but everybody keeps asking, so let's go ahead and do it. So I've got a thing of Keto Chow here. I've got an ice cream maker. Well, there's a bowl to put it in, a spatula, and that's like it. Like, really. I'm gonna pour this into the ice cream maker, and I'm gonna turn it on and let it run for a while. So that's really all there is to it. I mix this up. This is Keto Chow. It's actually root beer. At least it should be root beer. Should be root beer Keto Chow mixed up with heavy cream as the fat source. It doesn't work quite so well with butter because then it kind of tastes buttery, and it mixes. It just, for making it into ice cream, using butter. Using heavy cream is just a better way to go. So, anyway, let's do this. Okay, so here is the ice cream maker. It's not the one that I got for my birthday. It is the one that we actually bought here for the office on Amazon Prime Day. It has this, I think it holds 2 quarts, metal bucket thing, the beater bar, and yeah, you basically turn it on and let it run. So I've got my root beer float, at least I think it's root beer float. Yep, root beer float. So, got my root beer float Keto Chow here, and I'm just going to pour it in and splash a little bit. Let that drip out. So yeah, we're just going to be turning this on, letting it run for about 30 minutes or so. And I'm not going to like put it into the freezer to let it harden up or anything like that. You actually just eat it straight, just like soft serve. The water in the Keto Chow makes it so that it doesn't like hard freeze very well, but for soft serve, it's fantastic. So there we go. Got that out as much as I could. I'm gonna put the lid on that holds things down. Power, it just defaults to 60 minutes. I'm just gonna start it. Away we go. Okay, and at this point, it's just gonna sit there and spin. It's not really gonna do much more. So I'm gonna stop it, turn it off. Let's get this sucker out. There we go. All right, let me go over here to the other side. But yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna scrape this into the bowl. It makes a giant, massive heaping bowl. Now you'll notice that there in the ice cream bowl, there's a whole bunch of stuff frozen to the sides. That's normal. It's just because the sides are a lot colder. And that, depending on if you quickly turn off the ice cream maker or if you let it just sit there and run, that can be really, really frozen to the side of the ice cream maker, in which case you would just let it sit there on your desk for a little while, soften up, and then you'd be able to get the stuff out. Sounds like somebody's at my door. Put this over here. Let's see. Well, as you see, it makes this massive giant bowl of ice cream. The funny thing is, this is exactly the same amount of stuff as is in just a blender bottle, because literally I just poured it out of the blender bottle and into here. But it ends up being this really, really big bowl of Keto Chow. No, Keto Chow ice cream, whatever you want to call it. So, yeah. So that's it. That is making ice cream out of Keto Chow, and I'm just gonna put this on my desk while I eat that. That's it.